Welcome, boys and girls, to lesson 3.9, problem solving, numbers to 9. Let's start by writing our names. Now, let me also start this by saying a lot of people, a lot of grown-ups, when they hear word problems, and that's what we're working on today, when they hear word problems, they get very nervous and they don't know how to do it. But you don't have to be scared of word problems. As long as you take it step by step, which is what we will do, they are not hard. They're usually pretty easy. You just have to take them step by step. Let's start with this. There are 7 flags on the red tent. Trace the flags. We can do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. The blue tent has a number of flags, one greater than the red tent. We can do that too. So it has the same amount plus one more. So let's draw the same amount. Let's do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7 and another one. 8. So how many flags are on the blue tent? There are 8 flags on the blue tent. You guys did great with that. Okay, if I ever go too fast in this lesson, there's a lot to it. I might go a little bit quickly. Just push pause till you catch up and then push play. Let's look at number 1. Bianca buys 5 hats. Lee buys a number of hats to greater than 5. Draw the hats, write the numbers. See, now that sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. Let's take it one at a time. Bianca buys 5 hats. So let's draw 5 hats. I'm going to do party hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to write a 5. Down and around and give it a hat. Okay. Now it says that Lee buys a number of hats to greater than 5. Greater than is more than. So we'll start with 5 and then add 2 more on there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll add 2 more on there. 1, 2. Now let's count how many hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7. Slide to the right and then slant down. See, that was easy. As long as we take it one step at a time, word problems are easy and fun. Donna wins 9 tokens. Jackie wins a number of tokens to less than 9. Draw the tokens, write the numbers. We can do that. Donna wins 9 tokens. So I'm going to draw 9 tokens for Donna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to write a 9. Make a circle and come straight down. All right. Jackie, wins a number of tokens to less than 9. So I'm going to draw 9 and take 2 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have 9, but it says 2 less than 9. So I'll take 2 away. 1, 2. So how many are left? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Slide to the right and then slant down. We did it. Make sure you draw everything I draw. So if you need to push pause to draw them, then go ahead and do that because the drawing helps you to practice solving it. It's very important that you do all of the work when you do these. Gary has 8 tickets. 4 of the tickets are red, the rest are blue. Okay, so first I'm going to get my red crayon and my blue crayon. I've got my crayons here nearby. If you don't have your crayons nearby, then push pause and go get your crayons and bring them back. So I've got my red crayon and my blue crayon. All right. Now it says 8 tickets, 4 are red. So first we have to draw 8 tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tickets. 4 are red. So I'm going to color 4 of them red. 1, 2, 3, 4. I always do the red dot so I make sure I don't go too far. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it says the rest are blue. So we'll color the rest of these blue. So I won't have to make dots because I already know. You just go till you run out of tickets. So there's that one and that one. And that one. And this one. Okay. So we're out of tickets to color, so I did the rest blue. Let's see now. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 red tickets, so I will write a 4. Down, slide, right, pick up, cut it in half. Now let's count the blue tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also 4. Down, slide, right, pick up, cut it in half. See, you did it. And that one was kind of fun to do. I like the coloring. Okay, let's look at number 4. Anne has 7 balloons. Molly has a set of balloons less than 7. So it doesn't say how many less. So it looks like this one, there's lots of different right answers. How many balloons does Molly have? We can do that. So Anne has 7 balloons. Let's draw 7 balloons for Anne. 1, 2, make it squiggly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now Anne has 7. Molly, has a set of balloons less than 7. So it could be any number that is smaller than 7. So I'm going to do 3 because I can. 1, 2, and 3. So Anne has 7 balloons, so I write 7, slide to the right, and then slant down. I drew 3 balloons for Molly, halfway around and around again. Now you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 for this bottom one, and you would still be right because it just says a number less than 7. Okay. Another word problem. Number 5 with the butterfly. There are 6 seats on a teacup ride. The number of seats on a train ride is 2 less than 8. Oh, this one will be easy for us. So there are 6 seats on a teacup ride. Let's draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it says the number of seats on a train ride is 2 less than 8. So we're going to draw 8 and then take 2 away because it's 2 less than 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 and it's 2 less. I'm going to take the last 2 away. 1, 2. That's 2 less than 8. Let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. So there are 6 teacups rides seats and 6 train ride seats. Number 6, all kinds of 6s everywhere. All right. Pick 2 numbers between 0 and 9. Draw to show what you know about those numbers. I'll pick 2 numbers. I'm going to pick 5 because it fills up the 5 frame and I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to pick 6 because if you do 6, you can make a little pyramid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 6 is a fun number because it makes the pyramid. Here's what I know about the numbers 5 and 6. You could do any number you want. You could leave it blank and have it be 0. You could draw 9 and have there be 9. Any number you want there is correct. Okay, number 1. Sally has 6 flowers. 3 of the flowers are yellow, the rest are red. So I'm going to go back to my crayons and I'm going to get out my yellow crayon. So we're going to need, some are yellow, some are red. You will need your yellow crayon and your red crayon. All right, we'll set these aside right there. There are 6 flowers. So I'm going to draw 6 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. 3 of the flowers are yellow, so I will color 3 of these flowers yellow. 1, 2, 3. And it says the rest are red. So I just color the rest of them red. All right. Now, let's count and write how many are each color. 1, 2, 3 are yellow, so I will write a 3. Halfway around and around again. 1, 2, 3 are red. Halfway around and around again. There were 3 yellow and 3 red. Number 2. Tim has 7 acorns. Dawn has a number of acorns 2 less than 7. How many acorns does Dawn have? We can figure that out. Tim has 7 acorns. Let's draw 7 acorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll write a 7 for Tim. Slide to the right and then slant down. Dawn has a number of acorns 2 less than 7. So we're going to draw 7 down here and take some away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to take the last 2 away. 1, 2. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Dawn has 5 acorns. Down and around and give it a hat. Word problems are easy as long as you take them step by step. Let's look at the last page. One word problem on the last page.